Hi students. So this lecture for BBA 6th theme on specializations, which is the finance. It means investment decision and the project management. So in the last lecture we saw the objectives of project management. So these are the objectives of the project management, the successful development and the implementation of all projects procedures, as well as the productive guidance, efficient communications and supervision of the project's team, the achievement of the project's man goal within the given constraints, optimization of the allocated necessary inputs, as well as the fifth one, production of a complete project which follows the client's exclusive needs and objectives. Okay, so these are the objectives of the project management. Okay, so now these are not objectives of the projects, but it is the objectives of the project management. Okay, so now in this session we will see the characteristics of project. Okay, so these are the five characteristics are there. The unique activities are there, attainment of specific goal, third one is a sequence of activities, and fourth one specified time, and last one is what's the interrelated activities. Okay, so these are the characteristics of project. Okay, keep in mind these are the characteristics of the project. Okay, so now see the unique activities. First one is what's the unique activities. Whatever they are doing, whatever they are going to do the projects, in that projects they are mentioning the unique activities. The project is nothing but the unique activities. It is not, it means what they are preparing like this, it's not happened in the past or it will not happen in the future. Like this they are doing the project. It means what it is, and the unique activities. Okay, and there it means what's in the, there will be the some similarities in certain respects, but they are mostly, they are uniqueness of the activities specific to the project is always maintained. Okay, so whatever will be the uniqueness, no, they will be the maintained for the every project. There some cases it will be the similar some activities, but all the activities will not the similar, something will be the unique in that. Okay, so this is the project is nothing but the unique activities. Okay, so this is the first characteristics. Next one is what's the attainment of a specific goals. Okay, so the attainment of a specific goal means what? So suppose the business or the company they are going to achieve some objectives or the goals or the jobs, then they are doing one projects. Okay, and with the help of that projects they are attaining or they are achieving the goals or the specific job or the objectives. Okay, so this is the attainment of specific goals. Next one is what? Sequence of activities. So the sequence of activities is nothing but what, in this project there are so many requirements. Okay, so many activities are requirements, or it is the activities are involved in that the project. Okay, so these activities are required to take in the place in a specific order actually. Okay, so the specific order it's required to achieve the objectives or the goals of the business. If the desired results, if they want to desired results, then the sequence of the activities is necessary and it's very important. Okay, and there are so many factors are required. Okay, for example the technical requirements or the interdependency of each activities is these are the requirements. Okay, there are so many factors are required for the projects, but they should be taken a sequence. Okay, to achieve the desired results. Okay, so this is about the sequence of activities. Next, fourth one, specified time. Specified time in the sense the whatever the project is given, so this project should be finished in the specific time. Okay, not it should not take the more time to complete that project. Okay, this is the specified time. Whatever the framework, whatever the time framework made on that or within that specific time, the project should be the complete. Okay, so this is the characteristics. And the interrelated activities. So interrelated activities, it means what, there are different activities are involved in a project. So this it means what, it is the technically interrelated. When the output of an activity becomes it, it means it is technically interrelated. It means what, if the project, if it is taken, then the input we have to give, through that input we have to earn the in output, and output will be again input for the next activities. Okay, so it means what's the interrelated activities. If we find out you something by the projects, whatever you find out, it will be the input for other activities. Okay, so it is nothing but the interrelated activities. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the project. Okay, so next, objectives or functions of projects. Okay, so these are the objectives or functions of the project. So now see, these are the objectives: time, safety, cost, performance, quality, automation, and the lowest capital investment. So these are the, what's the functions or the objectives of the projects. Okay, so this time, so time, it is the main objectives of the projects, because whatever the project is taken, it should be completed within a specific stipulated time. Okay, whatever the time frame, whatever the time frame, no, within that time, the, or which is the stipulated time, it should be complete. Okay, so this is the main objectives of the project. Next, safety. So this safety as per the specifications of the project. Okay, so this is the safety, it means what, the safety should be the customers. Okay, so next, cost. So whatever, if you taken the project for do, so for that purpose, it means whatever the budget is there, within that budgetary, or within that whatever the budget is allocations, within that the project should be the completed. Okay, so this for the avoidance, avoid of complications. Okay, for that purpose, so this is the cost is in the main objectives or the project. Next one is what's the performance. So the performance should be depends on the satisfaction of the customers. Okay, if the expectations are, if the expectations of the customer, it is full, if it is fulfilled, then the performance will be good. Okay, so it means what, the performance should be the good. Next one is the quality, also you have to give to the custom, good quality you have to give to the customers. Okay, so these are the objectives or the functions of the project management. Okay, as well as it is the lowest capital investment, lowest capital investment. Okay, so these are the objectives or the functions of the project. Okay, just try to understand. Thank you.